Hey everybody, it's Chris with Xano, and today I'm going to talk to you about a brand new feature that we just introduced called Referenced By. Referenced By gives you super quick access to various pieces of your Xano workspace. And those pieces are going to be related to what you're already looking at. So for example, if you were looking inside of a database table, you now have super quick access to all of the API endpoints, functions, and add-ons that reference that table. And that applies to many things all across Xano. So I'm just going to give you a full tour. I'm going to show you how it works and show you how much easier it is to navigate your workspace. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is the database tables. Now this is the view of my entire database here. So I'm going to click into a table. Everything looks as we expect, but if you notice, we have this new button up here that says Referenced By. Now if we click on this, we get a little pop-up on the side that shows us immediately what API endpoints are referencing this table, as well as any add-ons or functions that are also utilizing this table's data. If we head into another table, we can see another example. Go to Reference By, you can see this table is being utilized by this single API endpoint. Go back to another table. Let's check out the member table. This is being referenced by 3 API endpoints and a function. Very cool. So now when you're working in your tables, you can get super quick access back to the endpoints, functions, and add-ons that are using that table. So what else is there? Let's take a look at some API endpoints. Okay, so now we're inside of one of our API endpoints here, and you can see in step 5, we have a custom function. So let's go ahead and click on this function here. And now we're inside of this custom function, and you can see right up at the top, we have a link that we can click that says referenced by one API endpoint. So let's click that. Again, we get that quick pop-up, and we see the API that is using this function. And we can also access this by clicking the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner and clicking referenced by. And now it's right there, ready for us to quickly navigate back to that API. Very cool. Let's head over to our library section and let's go into our functions. You can see our referenced by is listed right under each function. It says referenced by one API endpoint. I can click this and I can see that same list. That also applies to add-ons. So I can click add-ons. You can see this followed add-on is referenced by 2 API endpoints. So I can click on this. I get the list and I can jump right to any of those API endpoints that I want. The referenced by information is added automatically. You don't have to do anything special here. It just works right away. This works for database tables with the referenced by button at the top. This works for custom functions with the link on the full view of all your functions as well as inside each function. The same for your add-ons. This works on this view as well as the view when you're actually working inside an add-on. This can be especially helpful if maybe you're doing some cleanup inside your workspace, you're removing functions and add-ons that you're not using anymore. Now you no longer have to worry about accidentally deleting a function or add-on or a database table that you may be unknowingly still using somewhere else inside your project. You now have super quick access to see where that is being referenced before you proceed. So that's just a super quick overview of one of the many new features that we're excited to bring to you over the coming months. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Xano content. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below, and we will see you in the next one.